I am filming with a tripod now, which I wasn't before, but I'm going to show you the slimes that I have so far, starting with a new one. I just have some Slime Fantasies activator just in case, because most of these I have played with before, but I haven't in a second. So, the first one that I haven't even opened yet. I just bought it in New York. It's a Slimu slime, which they are really well rated, but this is my first slime from them. And it's called Crushed Peacock Ore. It smells like cotton candy, and it's a slushy avalanche, which gives it this really pretty color, and it looks like it's dripping down into the slime. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open this. And I've never had one of these kinds of slimes before because I was too scared to order them online just in case they wouldn't come right or they would be too dropped from shipping. But the top is so pretty. It's such a nice color, and I don't want to mix it because it's so pretty. So let me just take a second to admire it again. Look at all the pretty swirls and colors. Ugh. Let me turn on another light because it's so gorgeous. Okay. And there's lots of glitter mixed within, and I think there's a few beads on the top here and some iridescent colors. In. The smell is not really super cotton candy-ish. It's more just smells like slime, but it's not a bad smell. It is so pretty though. Look at that color. Just gonna take it out. The white has kind of shifted to the side. It's not sticky at all, which I'm surprised about because it came back with me all the way from New York in a train and my backpack and everything. So I thought it might have melted a little bit, but it's so pretty. I can't take it. It's gorgeous. And it's pretty, it's on the thick side, which I don't really know what I expected from this texture, but I like it. Stretchy. I don't know if it's supposed to be. On my hands. I had a party after school today for French club, and I won bingo, so all my friends were stamping me. But this color's so pretty, and I love the glitter and everything in it, and it's like a nice light lavender. I'm really pleased with it. It's not inflating or anything like that, but I just think that's the texture of the slime. And I will hand you guys over to some ASMR now. I have is Bliss Balm's Pink Sugar, and this is a Bingsu slime, and it's scented like pink sugar, obviously. I have played with this one quite a bit before, which is why the sticker is kind of peeling off, and I just got this one like last Thursday though, so it's not that bad. It is a very pretty slime, I have to say. Definitely, I don't know, this is my first Bingsu slime I've ever purchased, so I don't have anything really to compare it to, but it's definitely breaks a lot, which I don't know if that's just because I maybe overactivated it or something like that, but I still really like it, and it's super fun to play with. The scent is not overwhelming at all. This is only a 4-ounce slime, so that's why it's really little, but it does inflate a lot. I've had to put it into separate baggies multiple times because I could not fit it back in the original container. It's so pretty though, and I love the sounds that it makes. So I will just shut up now. I actually got for free from Bliss Balms, and didn't think I was gonna include this, but it's just such a nice slime, genuinely. So it says enjoy your free gift, and it's coconut scented, and it is so nice. It doesn't really smell like coconut, it's more like a sunscreen scent, and it came with these little styrofoam beads, but I squished most of them. So now I have a bunch of little tiny styrofoam bead pieces, and it's just like a 1-ounce slime, but it's this really pretty blue color, and like I said, the scent is so amazing. I think I'm gonna buy, Bliss Balm has a butter slime like customization option on her shop, and I'm going to get a full slime that is coconut scented because it just smells like sunscreen and summer and loveliness, and ugh. But anyways, this slime came with a little green gummy bear charm, which I thought was a really nice addition, and they didn't have to do that because I just bought the one pink sugar slime from them, but it's a really cute addition to the slime, and it just adds a little bit of a pop. Another Etsy slime, and this is called Bubblegum Pop. It's from the Blue Eyed Girls slime, and this is a 8-ounce slime, and this has these styrofoam beads that I love, and it also has foam beads that came with it that you could mix in yourself, but I already mixed those in because I am really impatient. It has these really big styrofoam balls, and you can't squish them. I wish you could, but they're very, very nice for texture. and it smells just like bubblegum. It's a thick and glossy slime, semi-foam I guess, but it kind of looks like strawberry milk or melted ice cream, and it's just really nice. Next up, we have my favorite slime shop currently, Slime Fantasies. I've ordered a total of 3 slimes from them, and I plan on ordering more, but I need to work because I'm broke. This is the Mexican horchata thick and glossy slime, and the first time I played with this, let me tell you, I got so inflated. That is like not fun. But anyways, this slime is just a really creamy, glossy slime, and it's so nice and soft, and it smells so good. It's like cinnamon, and ugh, I just love the smell. Like, I want it in a candle, and it kind of does smell like a candle that you could get from like Bath and Body Works or something like that. But it's so nice. Next slime is another Slime Fantasies, and this is strawberry cheesecake. It's a butterfloam slime, and it smells just like strawberries. This has to be my second favorite slime. All of the foam beads always float up to the top, and they're nice red foam beads, so they look just like strawberry shortcake topping, which I will put a picture of what the slime used to look like before it was mixed, because it was so pretty, and while I was mixing it, it was just so nice. I can also put a little clip in of me mixing it, because I have a video of that. It's such a good texture. It's so buttery, and I love it. Like, it just makes me go wild. It also has really pretty swirls, like whenever you present it, it looks really nice. Let me just... slime fantasies, and it's called Waikiki Beach. It's a cloud cream, and it smells so good, like pineapple. It's tropical getaway scented, and it looks so pretty before I mixed it, and it turned into like this mint muted green color, which I still like, but it was so nice. I'll put a picture. This slime is just silky smooth, like it doesn't even feel like slime. It feels like I have my hand in, like, I don't even know, but it's crazy. I am adding a voiceover because I forgot to talk over this clip, and it's just white noise, but this is the last slime, and it was pretty fun to film this. So, yeah. Goodbye.